Guys, whoever uzama ukungifonela bandla ngicela ayeke sekulate. Ngicela niyeke ukungifonela. Niyangidisturba. Okay. I'll be very short. Sanbonan, I know ukuthi anikho right. I'm not going to entertain. I'm not going to entertain my comments. I just want to say this once and for all. Ngidlule kuyona. I'm going to share this video, this live for 24 hours. And then again, you guys can comment under yona. It's fine. I need to take all the bullets and the shots, whatever. I admit I was wrong. I admit ukuthi ngibhedile. Each and every relationship iyaba nama mistakes and iyaba nama challenges. Whatever that I said about Vuyo was not true, and ngangekho right that time, and I ended up ngikhuluma with uma wengane. So yeah, I'm really sorry to Vuyo nefamily yakhe ngokumhlambalaza. Same as everyone la uyaba nama mistakes akhe. Uyaba nama challenges wakhe, and akaziwa umhlaba wonke. And the person who exposed me is the person naye. She was hoping that mina naye one day we're gonna be fine because sinomntwana naye. We also had our own challenges, and now she was hoping that sizoba right and sibe right empilweni. Now akwenzekanga ngaleyo ndlela. So she tried by all means ke nami I was stupid ngakhuluma naye wenza ngale ndlela enze ngayo. So what I wanted to say basically ukuthi I'm sorry, I'm really sorry kuyena nabalandeli bakhe nefamily yakhe, and also I'm sorry to ifamily yami ngokwenza yonke lento. And yeah, bekuyilokho nje. So angimblame uma wengane, ngiyiblame mina ngokwenza yonke lento le. Imina engiyifake kule rubbish yonke engiyifake kuyona. Yeah. So ningasho noma yini enifuna ukuyisho, sengi-acceptile. I had to accept whatever eqhamukayo and deal with it ngendlela yami engizodila ngayo nayo. And to ama-bloggers bathathe information from people, just know that one day you'll share something which is not true, and abantu who are weak, they'll end up taking further steps. So yeah, I do admit, and ngiyasola futhi. Ngiyasola. Yeah, that's it. Nisale kahle. I'm going to share with timeline yami. You can comment, ngizoyivula i-comment section. Thanks.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and that is umyeni we-country. As a lot of people were previously saying, you guys, I'm sending out an apology to Vuyokazi's family, as well as his family. And yeah, guys, you heard the live, that live for yourselves. Like, there's nothing much he's saying. He's just basically saying sorry. I really don't know if the sorry is really coming from a place of the person is really sorry, or for the fact that the person knows ukuthi uVuyokazi is that much, like she's got such a huge fan base that could literally destroy the business that he's trying to start. So angazi guys, but I guess we will take, or some of us will just take his word at it. Would he sorry? We are so but hey, that's why I mean guys, some of us have been saying this. What's in it's on the social media, guys. It's a red flag on its own. In it's on the social media nje. Ay ngeke phumani kuyo, because it's, I don't know what, especially worse people, guys who like fame in that sense, like they'll do anything like just to clear their names, or just to get the fame or whatnot. So I really don't even know if if this apology is genuine. He does say that he's sorry about the things that he said about Vuyokazi in voice notes that were leaked, you guys. Hey, minangazi, guys, angazi. But all I'm gonna say is that I'm glad Vuyokazi has left that relationship, guys. I don't even wanna say too much, because at this point I'm just like, you know when you just feel like you don't know what to say, and you expected a person, after the voice notes that I've listened to, I expected her to be a little bit, I expected Vuyokazi to be a little bit smarter when it comes to certain things, because guys, she's coming from Istembu, Nompumelelo. So there's some certain things that she has an advantage of knowing, that should give her like kind of an upper step. But the voice notes that are coming out, fighting with people and all of that, and I'm just like, I'm not even gonna post that, because I mean, there's enough channels that have posted those leaked audios, you guys, talking about that, and I really don't even want to be there. But also, Polani posted a update on his Instagram status stories, and he also apologized. He said, I also something about, he also apologized to Vicky, and everything he said about Uviki was not true. I don't know, you guys, because I feel like the conversation he was having was a conversation. He didn't sound angry when he was having that conversation. It sounded like a conversation he was having with someone he trusted. And in all honesty, in my own opinion, it doesn't seem far-fetched, because I once did a video and I'm just like, there's friendship between these two people. But anyway, I was just like, okay, Ugel does seem loyal. So let me just, maybe it's just me perceiving my things from TV, from the interactions that I've noticed on TV. Maybe Uviki's really not like that. Asazi, you guys. Don't know if they still follow one another. I'll check that. But I'm just like, yeah, this sounds like the way there's so much details in this, you guys. I'd swear like it's 14, 15-year-olds fighting up over a boyfriend, and there's voice notes and who said what, who said what. Guys, this is a marriage. How possible is it that there's so many people involved and so many voices involved in something that's supposed to be between two people and God? I don't get that. So the moment there's many voices in a marriage, who's saying what, who's saying what, who's saying what, like even into Teshadile that feels comfortable in having such confident pillow talk conversations and going to spill it out now that they're not okay, like that's just childish and amateur. That's how I'm like, is this TikTok? Because it's starting to sound like TikTok stories of these Ama2Ks having these, I don't know, but it just doesn't sound as if we are talking about people who brought families together. And guys, I see she and Lapalit's pocket right there. But anyway, I'm going to leave this matter to rest, because at this point, I'm just like, agegelweni. People are clearly not mature enough, or not all people, but some people are clearly not mature enough for marriage. People go into marriage for their own selfish ambitions, and the moment they don't get their, I don't know, they bring people's daughters into marriages, and expect them to, and then behave in some sorts of way, and then expect them to be Bob the Builders. Then on the other side, it's the woman who wants a lifestyle that needs to be maintained, because I mean, the fan base, guys, kuningi guys, and people just need to go back and do their inner work. But anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.